WhatsApp just released a new update that lets you only get notified in group chats when you are mentioned or replied to. Let's see how to set it up. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then go to the group chat where you would like to customize your notification settings. Now tap the group name at the top to open the group info section. Then select Notifications. Here, you will see the new option called Notify For. If it's not visible, make sure your WhatsApp app is up to date. Now tap on it to continue. At the bottom, you will see All is selected under What do you want to be notified for? Simply choose Highlights to adjust your notifications. From now on, you will only receive notifications when someone mentions you, replies to your messages, or sends a message from your saved contacts. This is a great option if you want to avoid unnecessary notifications. You will only be alerted when someone mentions you or replies to your messages. So these are all the things you need to know about customizing group chat notifications on WhatsApp.